Hello, welcome to my channel. This is general reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book a personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Please don't forget, my readings are general, so if they're not resonating, please don't try to fit in deliberately. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of November. Capricorn, I do see in the recent past you guys have been extremely burdened for your emotions. Because of your emotions, you have been extremely mentally exhausted. Um, some of you have been married, some of you had kids, some of you had like plans to really be with somebody for a very long period of time, and I do see that something has fallen apart, something has ended, something has not really worked the way you wanted it to. And you had literally put like a lot of thought, a lot of efforts, a lot of emotions. You gave it all, but it didn't really work. I do see that some of you have been feeling left out and cold. Some of you have been feeling, where did I go wrong? What did I do wrong? How could I not handle it well? Because Capricorn, I do, you guys are such people, like, you're very, meet your personal life, meet your professional life, you guys are very much used to making things work. You guys are used to, doing the right thing and making, something work out for you, by hook or by crook. So I do see that, this definitely has something to do with the equation that you guys have been a part of, or maybe some passion project that you guys are working on. Mostly it's the equation that you guys were a part of, and I do see as an escape you guys are using unhealthy coping mechanism, Capricorn. I do see that, you guys have been ruining your lifestyle. Some of you are drinking a lot, some of you are just partying a lot, some of you are just like partying it out, whatever did not work for you. But I do see this phase as one of the phases where you are really emotionally drained, where you have given a lot to some person, to some project, and that hasn't worked out. You feel broken, you feel like, okay, nothing is working in my favor, no matter how much I did, and somewhere or other you're really, really heavily judging yourselves, Capricorn. Um, so that's what I see. I want to clarify why is Three of Cups here. Capricorn, see, I do see that, whatever has gone wrong in your life, y'all are using really wrong means to fix it. The kind of change that you're seeking is the change that lies within, but you all are seeking it outside. Right now, maybe innately you're so unhappy, and you've been keeping really disturbed because of what has broken or what hasn't worked, that you just sort of feel that you will be able to find the same happiness in other places, and which is also making you feel really, really lost, because every time you make an attempt to find that happiness in other places, you miserably fail. And that also really disturbs you. Maybe, Capricorn, okay, let me put it this way, whatever rock bottoms that we encounter in life, sometimes they turn out to be the only way for us to reach the mountain high, the peak. So maybe you could treat it, as one of those phases, and start peeping within, Capricorn. Maybe this is your time to really, find your spiritual path and to walk on it. Now, finding a spiritual path, I want to clarify, does not mean that you have to really leave your material world and, sit in a cave. No, that's not what a spiritual path means. Spiritual path means just to probably connect with life, just like sit with your eyes closed and get involved with life, because all the answers that you guys are finding everywhere, at parties, at the end of the bottle, between, if a song is playing and you want to play it over and over again because it certainly makes you feel connected, or when you're high you feel happy, or when you're just like going out for a random date, it brings you that sort of rush. All of these emotions, all of these hormones can very well be produced by meditation, can very well be produced by working out, and that way you'll be able to fix your life. You cannot really fix these circumstances, but you can definitely fix how you react to them. So I do see that something has let you down. You have been feeling really broken about it, but there is a massive heartbreak that has happened because you gave in a lot. But Capricorn, I want you guys to fix it in the right ways. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person you guys are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotions of the person. Please dive deep into the dealing with another Capricorn, could be dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, could be any sign as far as elements go, guys. Let's not trip on the signs. Okay, Capricorn, see, the feelings are pretty much mutual. It's not just you who's feeling the burn of this, of this separation or of this phase. I think both of you are mutually hurt by all of this. At the same time, I do see, Capricorn, that the person that you guys were dealing with was sort of extremely selfish and manipulative. They always wanted things to work out their way. I do sense that sort of feeling that it's my way or highway. And everything that doesn't work out as per their own whim is wrong for them. So that's the kind of person that you guys were dealing with, and clearly they couldn't make it work 100% as per their wish, which is why they thought that this relationship is toxic, or maybe this relationship is not working well and they decided to end it, or maybe they've just, they are just in that phase where they're feeling like they will not be able to live chained in this relationship, because it's maybe, you're somebody who's a freedom lover, maybe somebody, maybe you're somebody who really, seeks some freedom. And this person wanted to keep you chained, like absolutely chained. So that is something that's not worked out, and no matter how much love you have tried to offer, this person has really not made an active effort to recognize that love, because for them there is a particular definition of love, and if the other person is not able to give them love the way they would like to be loved, they seem to reject it. And this is exactly what has happened. So they have literally created their own suffering. They have literally invalidated your emotions, their emotions, and escaped this situation because this is not their definition of love. Well, this is the thing about being in a relationship, guys. Like, there are two different languages coming together. It's like there is one, like there's Spanish and French coming together. So both the people need to understand a little bit of both the languages. I still want to clarify why is the devil in reverse. Can you please clarify the devil in reverse? For some of you, I'm receiving Capricorns that this person was quite not happy with the kind of lifestyle that you had. This person was quite not happy with the way you lived your life. because this person innately is a very conventional person and they like to live in a conventional way, and then they did not like the way you were functioning. So it could be that, or for some of you, I'm also receiving a message that at this point in time, this person is acting a little unconventional since their emotions are all over the place, since they could be dealing with an Aries, since their emotions are not under control right now. And since they're not able to handle their emotions, some of them could be maybe traveling, taking a trip, just leaving all of their responsibility behind, leaving all of their emotions and sadness behind, and could really be investing in other people, or just like heavily partying. I do see that both of you are following the same kind of coping mechanism. This person is getting involved with other people to really fulfill themselves, and you are also chasing unhealthy coping mechanisms to really deal with what's going on. And unhealthy doesn't necessarily mean alcohol and sex and all of those things. Unhealthy also means not addressing what you're going through, not really admitting and addressing what you're going through, and just like doing whatever to distract yourself from the the issue. So I do see on an emotional level, Capricorn, your person is all over the place. They have no idea what they're doing with their life. They have no idea what they're going with, where they are going with their life. Some of them are thinking that, okay, I've been way too conventional all my life and it has not worked for me. So now I'm going to be unconventional, and I'm going to just like do whatever I want to, and I'm not going to give a shit. So basically, this person, because of this equation, grew so tired of emotions and relationships that this person is really not. They are probably living a whole phase in this moment. And this reading is resonating with you, Capricorn. Please hit on the subscribe button, and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of November. If this reading is resonating with you, please hit on the subscribe button, and I'm finding out the outcome. Please give me the outcome. Capricorn, for some of you, I'm hearing that in this relationship, issues, maybe they were trivial. Maybe they were not the really big issues. You guys had it all together. It was beautiful. It was working out really well. But I do see that both of you have had this tendency to really, not address what was going on. And now it's become just like really complex. So there are two possibilities. These could be two different messages as well. That A, you all will decide that this relationship is too toxic and there is no way that we can be together. So some of you will really end this relationship. Others of you, I do see that you guys will decide that we need to stick together because we are so terribly attached to each other. So we are going to end everything that doesn't contribute to the health of this relationship. I do see that fair changes are going to be made. For the longest time, both of you have felt stuck in your patterns. Both of you have felt like, okay, this is who I am, this is what I can deliver. The other person is like, this is who I am, this is what I can deliver. But I do see, and even if you are not going to take this call, this is your advice for the month of November, that relationships do not work if you are going to be stuck in your personality, and if you're always going to say, okay, this is who I am, deal with it. No, that's not how it works. Both the people, they don't have to compromise, but they really have to, make certain edits in their personality so that both of them can fit in together. So I do see that. I want to clarify why is Ten of Swords here. Please clarify the swords for me. No, the Ten of Swords for me. Okay, see Capricorn, this one thing is for sure, that there is going to be massive communication happening for the month of November, and some of you are going to There are two sets of messages that I'm receiving. One is that some of you are going to really run away from this equation and really, emotionally move forward. For others of you, what I'm getting is that, then you're going to be really, really anxious, you're going to be sleep deprived, and then you're going to move towards this person. And, you're really going to let them know, and this person is going to let you know that, you know what, baby, let's just like move towards each other, and, let's like do what it takes. Let's focus on this relationship. Let's work on it because it means a lot to me. You mean a lot to me, so let's not like, break it up, and let's do what it takes. Okay, and even if that's not what you're doing, this could be also a form of advice, Capricorn, that it's very difficult to find great relationships, and we must give it our best shot to work them out, and if they don't, that's okay. Then you have to let it go. So I do see that happening for a lot of you, but I do see that there will be some sort of massive change coming in your life, and this is the Scorpio season, everything changes. So I do see that some of you are going to really just realize for once and for all that this relationship really keeps you chained, and this relationship really keeps you tied up, and it's not healthy for you, it's really toxic for you, and you're not able to breathe properly, and you're going to really run away from this equation, and you're going to just like start focusing on your work. For most of you, this is what I'm getting, that you're going to really run away from this equation, and you're going to distract yourself with work. Please, even if you're going to run away from this equation, Capricorn, make sure that you're using healthy coping mechanism. This is it for the month of November, guys. I hope it resonated. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys next week.